I got my first drone crash. I don't know how well you can see, but we can see Vancouver in the horizon right there. We just arrived in Tofino and the landscape is amazing and the nice weather is out. So we're going on a kayak tour and for the first time with our winter coats. So I'm pretty excited to see how it's gonna go. Leather Star, the other one up there, the orange one, and you might look at that. So 10 minutes ago it was completely raining, but now we got nice weather out and we can see the mountains, so the view is really nice right now. Let's show it. Tomorrow we're going up this mountain right here. We just finished our kayak tour and it was really nice. I didn't expect it to be as warm. It actually was pretty okay with a winter coat and not getting water on us. And the water wasn't actually so cold, so pretty surprising. I thought that winter would be terrible. We are on our way to try to catch the sunset. We had a hard time finding the public space where to park. But finally found the little path that we need to go through to get to the beach, and we hope we're gonna see the sunset. Ooh. I was going to say that I love having waterproof shoes, but waterproof is not useful when you get water inside of them. So they're completely soaked right now. So today during the kayak we were making sure that everything stayed dry, all the electronics and everything. But at the end my sister needed to rinse their life jacket and forgot her phone inside. So now it's in a rice bag and we hope it's gonna come back in the next few days. So day 2 of the adventure. It's a beautiful sunny day. Today we're going hiking to the top of Lone Cone. Our original day plan was to go hike Lone Cone, that's the mountain right behind me here, but it's closed for the day, so we're probably gonna need to change our plans. The trail we're on right now is called Big Trees, and we just found our first big tree that's right behind me, right here. Another big tree. That wasn't long. We just arrived to the end of the boardwalk. It took us so 20 minutes, not even. So now we're gonna continue and do the whole loop. That should be a little bit longer, but no more boardwalk. We hope it's not gonna be too muddy. Oh, fuck. Are we going under here? Wow. I think we're supposed to stay on the log on top. Ah, oof.
First fall of the day.
Yeah, first fall of the day. I hope. Disadvantage of having a huge bag. Oh yeah, we forget to look at the trees.
Oh, il est élevé.
Ouais, c'est pas ma force. Big tree. Ooh, so stressful. Look at the tree we just found. It's time to fly the drone. I just checked the regulation and the no-fly zones around, and we should be okay here if I'm not flying too high. So let's go. Our hike is done. We're gonna go and wait for the boat to come back, and during that time we're gonna try and catch footage with the drone of the glacier that's not too far away. So I got my first drone crash today. I'm not too sure what happened. I was bringing back the drone and totally lost control of it. It hit the tree. I don't know if I have the video. I hope I have the footage to show you what happened. The drone is perfectly okay. We could fly it afterwards and everything was okay. So this morning we're going surfing. It's currently about 2 degrees Celsius. So we have wetsuits on, ready to go surf in cold water. This morning we had our surf lesson. The only problem is that I forgot my waterproof casing for the GoPro, so I couldn't take any footage. But we just really liked it, so we decided to do surf again. So we rented these surfboards and we're going back on the beach, and we're gonna hope to get footage this afternoon of the experience. My sister just told me that the boards we got this afternoon are way harder than the ones we had this morning. So I hope I'm still gonna be able to stay up more than a few seconds this afternoon, because I've seen her doing it. It's not a good sign right now for what we got. For those wondering how's the weather, since we're during the winter right now, it's actually really not bad. I think it's about 5 degrees Celsius right now, but with the sun, it feels much more warmer. And with a wetsuit, we don't feel the cold water at all. So it's actually pretty good weather right now. It almost feels like if we were in summer. Trying to transport my board like a pro. I'm not too good at it. We just did a stop on the side of the road because look at what we found. We just brought back the surfboards to conclude our weekend in Tofino. If you like the video, you can view more content on my Instagram. The link is going to be right below. You can also like, subscribe by hitting the big red button, and share the video with your friends. Thank you, and see you in the next one.
We're gonna get away. We're gonna find our daily back, and we'll have you.